So far, the event has been wonderful, especially the marketing aspect. That's the area that I was looking forward to. Because I do know how to fly a drone, and the technical stuff is okay, but it's the sales and the marketing stuff that I really am looking forward to continuing on the next couple of days. And the major thing is the difference between strategic marketing and the tactical. I know a lot of businesses focus on the tactical, and on the businesses that I've had in the past, that's all I've really focused on. And I never really focused on what they called strategic. So I'm really looking forward to that's one of the main things that I've gotten out of it so far.